Hi, I'm Hannah. I'm a tutor at Sky Academy, and we are looking at the topic of measurement. Specifically, though, we are looking at rates and ratios, which is MSM7. This is our 10th video, and we are looking at plans and elevations. So plans are typically house plans, which is like a drawing of the layout of the house. So if you're looking to buy a house, they might show you the layout so you can see what the house looks like. And an elevation is the view of the object. So it might be from the front or from the side or from a bird's eye looking down from on top. Here are some common floor plan symbols. So we have a door which swings open in that direction. We have a window, kitchen sink, shower, toilet, and bathtub. You don't really need to know these, they're kind of common sense, but just so you're familiar with them would be important. So here we have been asked to draw the plan view, the front elevation and the side elevation of this object. And so the plan view is the bird's eye view. So if you're looking down, you would see 3 blocks, 1, 2, and 3. And so I'm just going to draw 3 blocks looking down in a line. The front elevation is what you would see from the front. So you would see 1 and 2 blocks, and you would see them vertically, not horizontally. So you can draw it like that. It's a little wonky there, but ignore that. Front elevation. And finally, the side elevation, you would see 4 blocks, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm just going to draw that shape now. It's like a Z shape almost. So it's a little bit uneven, but you get the idea of what it would look like. So that's drawing a plan and elevation. And let's have a look at the next question. So this question is a house plan. And we can't measure the house plan. So if you have a look at question C and D, it says what is the length of the house? And because this photo was taken from the Cambridge textbook, we can't actually measure in centimeters because it's been altered to fit on a PowerPoint. So I wrote down here 12.6 centimeters from here to here, and the dimensions of the double garage, which is this one here, is 4.2 and 3.5. But we can do the questions just with a little bit of a head start. We don't have to measure them because I've already done it. So how many internal doors are there? We have 1 door here. We have 2 door here, we have 3 door here, and 4 door here. This here is not an internal door because it goes from the inside to the outside, so it'd be external. Same here, inside, outside, external, and here, inside, outside, external. This one is internal because it's from inside to inside. Inside to inside, inside to inside, inside to inside. What is the meaning of PWDR? So if you have a look here, it's just the bathroom, and some people call it the powder room. So that's what PWDER stands for, powder. Powder room. What is the length of the house? So we know I measured it in centimeters from here to here, would be 12.6. And if we are to find the length of the house, the real length, we can use the scale that they gave us down here, which is 1 to 150. And so what we're going to do is we're going to use our formula, which is scale over drawing length over real life length. And so the scale is 1 over 150, or 1 to 150. Equals, on drawing was 12.6, and we're trying to find the real length of the house, which is X. So I'm going to take 12.6 over 1 on 150. So 12.6 over 1 on 150. and it will give us an answer of 1890 centimeters, and that equals the real length of the house. And we're going to do the same for the dimensions of the double garage. So our formula, once again, is scale over drawing length over real length. The dimensions on the drawing were 4.2 and 3.5. So we have 1 on 150 equals 4.2 over x, and we have 1 on 150 equals 3.5 over x. And if you take the 4.2 over and the 3.5 over and solve for them, we should get the results of 4.2 over the fraction of 1 over 150 is 630 centimeters by, and 3.5, 525 centimeters. So plans and elevations, typically a HSC question of this would look like this one. It'd have a house plan, ask you to measure with your ruler, actually measure the drawing length, and then convert the drawing length to a real life length, like we did in question C and D.